Silica is so. This car at least still have some height, right?
No, dia tak tekan brake pun.
Tak payah.
Tak payah.
Kasih sayang a bit.
No, like slowly.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a what you call that? Sweet spot for it, right?
Yeah, that's the only sweet spot for it. Jetlag, tak lah. I don't know. If I see a passenger, I'm gelabah gila.
I say the viewing is much better than like what's say
Why the tingkap tak even je?
At least it's crib or steering is damn heavy though.
Which is good, I prefer heavy.
Oh, damn strong, right?
I didn't touch the brake. Okay, you have to run.
So well though. First gear, go second. Second. Third already.
Cepat gila.
Yes.
Woo! Volkswagen.
C300. Seriously, it looks like Volkswagen.
Yeah.
This is tighter than your BM, right? Do you agree?
It's not. It's still looser than the Mercedes, but tighter than my manual car.
Oh, damn strong as. That's like look like my brother Accord though.
Man, I told you it's strong.
Yes. So even left foot braking, it has to be rearranged again.
I actually auto I don't put lah. Ni lah.
Yeah.
Why is it?
Boost meter. Then suddenly it bites, you know.
Yeah, that's why lah. Jaga sikit. Don't let people like langgar belakang. Don't brake check people with this car. Because you brake check ke? Lagi.
Not good.
Why? Slowly lah.
It has. See, I always use more brake. It jumps. Why? That is the max boost. I'm not sure what's the max boost.
Tapi I think it's gentle throttle.
Gentle more. It's gentle. Nothing. Suddenly it hits the kick down switch. But I think it hit boost cut, you know. I'm not sure.
Because of the leak, is it?
I'm not sure. That is a boost cut.
O2 sensor.
I want this. I want AFR.
Tak ada.
Just now the number. What number is it?
O2.
The 13 something. O2.
Battery.
I want. Oh, that one battery. Yeah. Go back up here. What?
Kau sini ya, straight lah. Maybe full throttle lah yet.
It's okay actually. The response is good. Gearbox fine though.
But the turbo tadi I think like dia tak ada flutter.
Yeah, it's fluttering. Yes.
So means?
I'm not sure. Do you mind if I try again? I'm not sure. I don't think I want to try again.
Maybe not lah. We just like turbo kong and that'll be a big problem.
The first gear is nice. First gear is just goes.
Sounds quite nice as well.
Yeah.
Oh, my phones. Oh! Ow!
The brake is very sensitive, right? Maybe I use like another foot. Part way though.
Try lah. Yeah, you just take one round.
Here. You want to park here?
Can.
Huh?
Can. Sini. Space, that's a rarity.
Sorry lah. Sorry.
Ouch, my neck.
Okay. Okay, this car is not suitable for left foot braking, or maybe I'm just not used to it.
Maybe don't left foot brake ke?
Tak biasa tu.
Yeah, don't left foot brake lah. Okay, stop. Stop. Ni lah.
Uish.
Depan. This one banyak space. Okay,
Cannot.
reverse. Brake. Brake. Stop. Enough lah. No, tak boleh tekan
Turn.
Oh, wrong key.
Oh.